guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. I've had a couple people asking me what my exhaust setup was on my 3-valve when it was stock. So what I've done is I've put together a video showing you everything on the car for complete sound clips on the rear of the car, a video from the front of the car with some additional audio, and one part from a dyno. So it's pretty much just a straight headers OEM. Then you have the off-road H-pipe, OEM axle over axle pipes, and then you have 2010 GT500 mufflers with a 4-inch tip. So that's what gives it the amazing sound, is that the tips are 4 inches and just allows for all that sound and exhaust to come flowing out. If you have any other questions, just leave a comment below. Remember to hit the like button, and also remember to subscribe down below for more content and updates. watching up until this point, folks. Appreciate the views. Stay tuned on our current build.
Say bye-bye.